guys, Katie here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not doing a makeup video. If you wanted to see this makeup look, then it should already be uploaded. This video I just wanted to quickly touch on YouTube. Now YouTube has gone and changed its sort of monetization, am I saying that right? I don't know, monetization criteria. What this means is that smaller channels need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and to be generating 4,000 hours of view time per year. Let's put that into perspective, because 4,000 hours doesn't really sound like a lot, but I actually broke it down. 4,000 hours is actually 240,000 minutes every 365 days. They didn't say it that way, even though when you go onto your analytics, like everything is done in minutes, yet they want to tell us hours because it doesn't sound as horrible, but it actually is really horrible. I don't meet that criteria. I am just below the 240,000 minutes. I might crack it before the deadline of like February the 18th. I might, if I'm lucky. If I work my butt off and upload heaps of videos, I might make it. But I thought about giving up. I thought about canning it all in. It's not about the money. The money is not even that much. It's honestly just spare pocket money like once or twice or 3 times a year. Like it's not even a lot. But it was still something. It's still something for the time that it takes to upload a video, film a video, upload a video, edit a video. One video can literally take hours and hours and hours. Never mind the cost involved into all the equipment. And I am planning on doing a video very shortly of all my equipment that I started with, all the equipment that I film now, all my settings on my camera, all my lighting setup, absolutely everything. So I am planning on doing that. I'm just sort of working it out and structuring it, and you know, it's going to be a pretty big video and pretty intensive video. Never mind the money that we pay on the product to keep up to date, to, you know, I mean, it all costs a lot of money. You could do YouTube on not a lot of money, like you might not have to spend much, but sometimes you do, and so to have that taken away from us is a bit shite. So there are a lot of smaller channels just like me who probably are going to give up. There are going to be a lot of people giving up. There are going to be a lot of people not making videos anymore. There are going to be a lot of people that are just probably going to just shut down their channels. I definitely did think about it. I thought about, you know, just canning it in and, you know, maybe just sticking to Instagram, because, you know, to be honest, if I'm 110% honest, I've had more opportunity come through my Instagram than through my YouTube. That being said, I saw my statistics and analytics and saw how close I was, and that kind of just gave me a bit of a boost. I thought, you know what, let's just keep doing it. I mean, even if I don't make anything on my channel for like a couple of months, more months, like I'm so close that, you know, it's not going to be long before they give that back to me again. So if you're in the same basket, please don't give up. Don't let it be the end of your dream. Don't let it be the end of your channel. Like your channel is your baby. You spend so much time working on it. It's phenomenal, the amount of hours that go into it. And just to pack it all in because YouTube's going to be a dick and take away your little bit of pocket money a couple times a year is really not worth it. Definitely keep at it. In another sense, I can see why YouTube's doing this. I can see that from this, and here's another reason why you want to stay in this. From this, a lot of people aren't going to be creating videos anymore. From this, a lot, imagine a lot of smaller channels are going to pack it in and like just delete their accounts and not make videos anymore. That means that the pool of videos is going to get smaller. It's going to, because people are going to give up, or they're not even going to try, they're not even going to start. So the pool of videos is going to get smaller. So for the rest of us that are still slogging our asses off trying to make it, I feel like this will actually give us a little bit more of a better opportunity to get our videos seen. So I feel like that is a positive that you can take away from it. And I do see that YouTube are just wanting better quality videos. And to the dear followers, to the dear subscribers, to the dear watchers, to you watching, if you're not a YouTube maker yourself or a video maker yourself, if you just love YouTube videos and you spend a lot of time on YouTube, we need your support now more than ever. If you love a smaller channel, if you've got a smaller channel that you idolize, that you love, that you watch every single time, that please let them know, or please watch, please subscribe, please like, please share, like even, you know, like just do whatever it takes. Like we need your support now more than ever. Like when YouTube's gonna kick us to the curb, you know, we need you guys. We need you guys to really contribute to our channels as well. We put a lot into this. To all my subscribers that have been there through the beginning, and you know, there is definitely a few that make themselves known to me. I probably have a fair few that, you know, just fly under the radar, and that's fine. To everybody who has liked or subscribed at some point, even if you have unsubscribed, I don't even care. Thank you. Thank you for you know, putting something back into the pool, you know what I mean? Like putting something back into the bank that we are so constantly like cashing ourselves out into. Like I don't even know if I'm making any sense. It's really nice when you know, people do like and subscribe and let you know that they like your stuff. I was sad for a lot of really small YouTubers. I was sad for them because I knew that this means that a lot of people are going to give up. And that's sad. That, you know, that YouTube shouldn't be discouraging new talent and new entertainers, and you know, they shouldn't be discouraging that. And that's how I kind of feel. You know, I kind of feel like they are doing that. I just wanted to motivate you guys, encourage you guys, if you are filmmakers, to keep going, don't give up. You're probably really close anyway. Go have a look at your analytics. You're probably really close. Just don't give up. I mean, if it means another 6 months of work, then what 6 months of work out of probably the already 2+ years you've already done? To the subscribers and to the watchers, please let your favorite YouTubers know that you love them because they could quite potentially be thinking about giving up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to end it on my normal note, but it doesn't feel right to end it on my normal note. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe learned something about what's happening for us guys on this side. And anyway, as always, you'll be seeing my face in the next one.